Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2022 Toyota Yaris Icon. This car comes with the 1.5 petrol engine and the hybrid system, which is Ulez compliant, producing 114 brake horsepower and while still returning up to a very impressive 68 miles to the gallon. This is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 15,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is the Metallic Galactic Blue and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you've got a nice clean interior. On the Yaris, you've got the really comfy supportive seats with a nice hard wearing fabric, and there's a armrest for the driver and two cup holders in the front as well. Onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, DAB radio and Bluetooth, and then a few other features I can mention. The car also has climate control, automatic headlights and wipers, cruise control there on the right hand side of the steering wheel, and on the driver's door card you have your electric mirror and front window controls. For a small hatchback, you have a good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and it's good to see the car's got the original floor mats from Toyota too. Opening the tailgate reveals a nice deep boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor, which is a nice surprise, you've also got a space saver wheel, so that's good to see. Externally, the car comes with the 16-inch alloy wheels and also a colour reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.